it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the Mother-Daughter channel. I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
Okay, so today we got the googly eyes game. But what we're going to do today is, what'd you bring here?
My makeup bag.
She brought her makeup bag.
I'll show you what's in it.
So I'm going to do her makeup with the googly eye glasses on.
Don't waste my makeup.
This game, we've already messed with the glasses, but it comes with different pieces. Hard, medium, and easy. Well, I have a medium and a hard.
It's fun when you put different glasses in it. If you just put the same.
Yeah, it's harder if you put different in it. So we're making it harder.
Yeah.
So I'm about to put these on.
Wait, I want to show them what's in my makeup bag. So.
We don't need to show them. We got to get started.
Brow
I
palette.
cannot see with this light. This is gonna be hard. Okay, dump your makeup bag out.
Okay.
Can I look yet? Okay.
So all my makeup is right here. Do you need the lip balm?
No.
Okay.
This is gonna be hard.
Why do you get to use the brow palette? So all your brushes are like by this side and your other
Are you
side's
ready?
here. Yep. Ready?
Oh my goodness. Cannot. Like, this is really
So,
hard.
Find what
Okay.
you want.
Foundation's definitely first.
I get F3. Don't put up too much.
Okay.
You gotta put up a lot.
Where am I? Here. Okay.
Not my hair!
I can't see. Okay.
What the heck are you doing?
I cannot see.
Okay, let me see.
It's like drunk goggles
okay,
right now.
you ruined it!
What? Let me see. Oh my god. Okay, we'll put the lid on. Okay, got it.
I like you. This stuff is expensive.
We're gonna buff.
Oh, she found the right brush.
We're gonna buff this out.
How an eye.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let me.
Hold on.
She's doing my hair.
This is a... Are you looking at me?
No. No, I am. What the heck?
Oh. Am I getting your head?
Yeah.
No, your forehead?
You're on my forehead now. You're on my eyes. Okay, you're done. You're done.
Now we have to blend it in. Okay.
Okay, you're done. Let's go.
Did we get your neck?
No, stop it. In my mouth.
Okay.
We're
This,
done.
oh
Give
my,
me
the
this
light
brush.
makes it 100 times worse. Okay. We gotta set the foundation with powder.
She finds everything. Look at my face so far. She didn't do so
Okay,
good.
how do you open this? Okay, got it. Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I can't get it. I barely see. Okay.
No!
Oh my god.
I'm taking a bath after this.
Okay.
Ow!
You gotta quit moving.
I'm trying not to.
Okay, close your eyes. Maybe if I do this.
Ow! Hurts worse.
Oh my gosh, make sure you're in the camera. I can't see. Are you in the camera?
Yes, I think. Wait, no. Okay, I'm in the camera.
Okay. You're gonna look so beautiful.
No, I'm not.
Okay, I think that's enough powder. Okay.
Don't use all my makeup. Okay.
Where did I put the other stuff? Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Okay. You know, she has a Hulu light, but I don't have the right brush out here, do I?
Don't ask me.
No, we're skipping it. We're gonna do your brows.
Okay.
You got her brows?
Hopefully.
This is from the Rue 21 video.
Yeah, they're actually really good.
Okay. Let's comb them.
No. I don't want her to comb
Okay.
people. That's the
No,
glitter.
that's the highlight.
That's the glitter palette.
Okay. Make sure you're in the camera.
Okay, I'm in the camera because I can feel your chair.
This is bad. I feel like I want to poke your eye. Where am I?
Nothing well.
Okay, hold on.
It's the side of my head. What?
One. Okay.
It's not gonna work.
Oh my gosh. It's like you, right here I can see normal. And when you move, it goes into a completely different person.
Place?
Different. It's like completely different.
Okay, you're done that. No.
Okay, I'm done. Are you sure?
You
Look at me. I can't see straight.
Here's my next one.
Okay. She has an eyeshadow palette.
Gosh, don't me.
we got, this brush was in her bag. Did I bring any extra brushes?
Yeah.
I have a, okay. What color would you like today?
I would like.
Choose it. And
Stop
point.
it! Let me choose
it.
it.
And point.
Okay, I'll choose it in the.
No,
point.
choose it.
This
Okay.
one. I
Which
got
one?
that one. I can put my finger in it.
Okay, close your eyes.
What the heck? Okay, that kind of
Okay.
hurts. Do it next time. We're not doing the whole eye.
You gotta use 2 different colors. Okay. Other eye.
What are you
No. Wait, I can't. Okay, other color. Oh my gosh, this is weird. It's like, you look one way, you think you're looking
Can I do
straight,
your
and
makeup
this
too?
thing just mixes with you.
Can I do your makeup?
Hold on.
I think googly eyes.
I'm trying to concentrate. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well,
Oh
don't-
my gosh.
you don't have blush or nothing? You're a loser. Where's the lip gloss? Puff
Your
your
lip balm.
lips.
Remember this from the Route 21. Oh
Does she look beautiful, you guys?
my eyes are so
Okay,
messed up.
I'm about to look. Okay, hold on. Look into the camera. I'll show them your beautiful face. Turn your head slowly. She looks like a model.
Did you see the brow palette you put there?
Oh my, that eye is horrible. The eye looks like a black eye.
Yeah, I was about to say it looks like a black eye.
You look good.
I look like a black eye.
Now try them on and see how hard it is. It's really hard to see with those. Look.
Oh my gosh. I can't
See how bad it is?
Can I do your makeup now?
Not right now. It's like really hard.
I can see right here good. It's like I like put your
Barely touching my face. Anyway.
Please like
Like
and
and
subscribe.
subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.
So,
Why are you looking like that?
Did you give me this ugly look?